Hello and welcome to Real Amigurumi and more. Today I want to show you how to make this lovely baby blanket. A friend of mine had a baby last month and I wanted to make something special. I found this category 3 yarn with the nice blue and light brown and white color combination. It turned out so nice. I didn't even expect how nice it was gonna be, so I couldn't not share it with you. For the blanket 40 inches wide, I estimated that I needed about 160 stitches foundation chain. So I did 160 stitches, which was 159, which is divisible by 3, plus 1 chain stitch at the end. I'll use category 4 yarn for this sample, and we need the number of stitches has to be divisible by 3 plus 1 chain at the end. Let's do 21 stitches plus 1, so we need a chain of 22 for this sample. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now skip first 3 stitches, and in the 4th stitch 2 double crochet stitches. Then skip next 2 chain stitches, and in the 3rd make 1 single crochet, then 1 chain stitch and 2 double crochet stitches. All these stitches all in 1 chain stitch of the foundation. And take a note of this chain 1 space between single crochet stitch and the first double crochet. This is the space that we will be using to crochet stitches into in the next row. Next, skip another 2 chain stitches of the foundation chain, and in the 3rd stitch chain 1, single crochet 1, then chain 1 and 2 double crochet stitches, and do this to the end of the chain. Okay, we came to the end of the chain, and in the last chain, again skip 2 chains, and in the last chain single crochet stitch, chain 1 and only 1 double crochet. This is what you're going to do in the end of every row. Only 1 double crochet at the end. Now to continue to the 2nd row, chain 3 stitches, turn, and crochet 2 double crochet stitches in this chain 1 space between single crochet and double crochet. 1 and 2. Now remember what I told you about this chain 1 space between single crochet and double crochet stitch in the previous row. So into this space, single crochet stitch, chain 1 and 2 double crochet stitches. Same what we did in the 1st row, but instead of chain stitches we crochet these clusters into chain 1 spaces. Again, single crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet, and like so to the end of the row. Okay, and when you come to the end of the row, you need this third chain stitch in the beginning of the previous row. This stitch here. This third chain stitch, and into that stitch you crochet 1 single crochet, 1 chain stitch, and 1 double crochet, only 1. Second row made, and for the next row again chain 3, turn, and into this chain 1 space make 2 double crochet stitches, and then continue just like before to crochet clusters of single crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet into this chain 1 spaces. This stitch pattern is very forgiving, because even if you miss one of the double crochet stitches, probably even if you miss a chain stitch between single crochet and double crochet, you probably won't notice that you made a mistake. Certainly nobody else will notice, even if you notice that. So you can see the pattern coming out already. It's very simple but very effective and very forgiving and very beginner friendly. And after you finish the blanket, you need to make a nice border all around it. So first we make 2 rows of single crochet stitches all around. The chain stitches we skip when you crochet stitches around the top of the blanket. Skip the chain stitches, so you'll be doing 3 single crochet in each of the double crochet, and then single crochet into the single crochet, skipping this chain stitch, and do this all around. 1 row of single crochet, and then chain 1, turn, and a row in the opposite direction. And when you come to the corners, 2, skip and chain here. Okay, almost there. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, there's nothing to skip here. Single crochet in this third chain, and 2 more single crochet in the same space. So it's gonna be 3 single crochet on each corner of the blanket. Something like this. Don't bunch up when you crochet around the sides of the blanket. Don't make the single crochet stitches too close to each other. Try several stitches and then stretch the blanket a bit vertically like this and see if you're happy with this. If the stitches seem to be too close to each other, then just undo this and do the stitches and a bit, make some more space between them. Then when you come to the corner, again 3 single crochet in the corner, and at the bottom of the blanket will be easier because here you crochet single crochet stitch and into each of the chain stitches of the foundation chain, like so. Single crochet in each stitch. Here's my miniature blanket. I did 2 rows of single crochet stitches all around. Now we need to make another row, final row. At the end of the second row of single crochet stitches, do 1 chain stitch, turn, skip first 2 stitches, and in the third stitch crochet 5 double crochet stitches. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then skip next 2 stitches, single crochet in the next stitch, 3 chain stitches, and single crochet in the same stitch where you made the first single crochet. Then skip next 2 stitches and 5 double crochet stitches in the third stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, skip next 2 stitches, and in the third stitch single crochet, 3 chain stitches, and single crochet again in the same stitch. And repeat this all around. 5 double crochet stitches, skip next 2 stitches, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet in the third stitch. Then again skip the next 2 stitches, a cluster of 5 double crochet, and like so all the way around. And on the corner, in the corners of the blanket, crochet a cluster of single crochet and 3 chain stitches and single crochet in the same stitch, and then continue 5 double crochet in 1 stitch, and on all around. Four and 5, like so.